Yo, hello everyone. Are you running a Shopify store and want to offer print-on-demand products? By integrating SPOD with Shopify, you can easily add custom-designed products to your store. In this video, we will walk you through the process of integrating SPOD with Shopify and setting up your print-on-demand products for sale. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply go to your account on Spot. So here we go, Spot, and here we go. We are now on our website. Click on Go to App through here, and then all we're going to do is do an integration. How we can do that? Simply by clicking on Integrate with Point of Sale, and from here you will find all the desk which has Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Walmart. I have done a video recently about it, so make sure to watch it if you'd like to add and connect your website with one of these platforms. They have so many others that you have to check them out later. But for this video, we are going to use Shopify. They also have Squarespace, WooCommerce, Shopware, Magento, Spot API, and GTL. So for now, let's click on Shopify and start connecting them. So you can connect Shopify stores. When you click connect, you will be redirected to Shopify page to add the Spot app to your preferred Shopify store. So let's do that. Click on connect, and from here they will have to ask us to add the app. First, you'll have to log in. So let's log into my account. I'm going to log into this one. Here we go. Let's go to this one, and from here log into your Shopify store. We can sign up, for example, and save time. Skip all. Continue with Google. Let's choose this one, and here recovery options, secondary email off. You don't have second step, so remind me next time. Let's do this once more. I'm going just to fix this real quick and be right back. So back to you guys. My store has been successfully created now and fixed. So now what I'm going to do is simply go to add apps, click on Shopify App Store. Here we go. And from here, I'm going to click on Spot in this search bar. So Spot, and click on the first app, click on add app, and here we go. So now we have successfully installed the app through here. So for now, they are going to take us back to our Spot account. So here we have our Shopify store, as you can see. So now I have two kind of stores: the order desk, which is another integration which allows you to integrate with TikTok, Amazon, and much more, and we have Shopify over here. So everything is now ready to go. Now, if you'd like to go to your Shopify store, you can just click here and it will take you directly to the settings on your Spot Print on Demand store. So if this is the dashboard that you'll have in this pod website, now we are having it actually on the Shopify website. So through here, you can go to products and start creating new products on Spot in Shopify. I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, you got the idea. So the main idea is now you can do everything that you have on Spot on Shopify, so you can save time, going through tab and going back, and yeah, this whole process now is being cancelled. Now you can just create everything in your Shopify store using the Spot Print on Demand application. So let's start now, for example, using some of their functions. So let's check if it is correctly working. Let's start with making some hoodies. So here we go. Let's start creating a hoodie. And as you can see, we have literally the same colors, the same thing that we have on Spot. So this is super cool. The hoodie is actually looking pretty nice as well. I really like Spot for their quality of images and the quality of their clothes. They are so much good. And if you saw here any like $22, it is worthy 100%. Here's some product info if you'd like to know about it. It is fabric weight 8 ounces. The material is 50% polyester, 50% cotton, and heather red is 60% cotton, 40% polyester. In here you'll have double needle stitching, as you can see. And here imported product printed and processed in USA. So it's all been created in the USA. You'll have all the sizes from S to 5XL, and here you have the pricing details, which was the production cost for this hoodie. So here you only have the production cost. You don't really have your payment included in here. So later on you'll have to add how much benefits margin you'd like to add for this hoodie. So let's click on next for now. I like it to be like that. We don't need to do anything crazy with it. Let's keep it simple. Here I'm going to add the name. So I'm going to add hoodie for Loli. And for now, I'm going to add here the pricing merge. So I want to have around 100 dirhams, which is $10 as a margin benefits, which is pretty cool. Here to complete, we'll have to choose which kind of product size we'd like to have, from S, M, L, XL to up to 5XL, or we're just keeping it to XL and that's it. So I'm going to select until XL. If you'd like to select all colors, you can select them like that. And here you'll have to add them to collection if you have any kind of collection, which is in our case our home page on Spotify. So now we have this feature that we didn't have back then in SPOD. We have it now exclusively because we have Shopify integration. Here, if I went down, you'll have some mockups images. Make sure to choose the best one that will maybe attract more people to buy your hoodie. And finally, auto publish to store. And basically, this will help you a lot to publish it to your store. And then click here. So let me just remove this. I think I can remove it using I think view page source, but like that. Inspect mode, and maybe you can remove it. So let me just remove this. All right. So now you can simply click on next, complete, and our hoodie for Loli is being now added to the homepage of our Shopify store. So from this point till the end, we will have all the products that we are creating on our Spot account generated and added to our Shopify store. So from here we can see in your store, this is the hoodie and how it looks like. Even the details about like everything from like how it is created, some images about it, some drawings about the hoodie itself. We will have it all in the description, automatically added from Spot account to Shopify description store. So yeah guys, that's how you can connect Shopify with Spot. I hope you like this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.